Apparently, AI is only for 25-year-old tech geniuses. Well, let me tell you, this 60-something rebel grandma decided to test that theory. And what I discovered is that AI is actually one of the simplest tools adults over 50 can learn. I know, once someone explains it in plain English. So if you've been hearing about AI but thinking to yourself, that's probably too complicated for me, this video is your starting point. Welcome to AI After 50. A lot of people our age feel like technology moved forward without asking permission. One day we were using emails. Next thing you know it, everyone's talking about AI prompts, chatbots, and automation like we're supposed to understand it. But here's the truth. AI is just a very smart assistant that can help you find information faster, learn new skills, and maybe organize your life a little. You don't need to be technical, my friends. You just need to know how to ask the right questions. Let me explain AI the easiest way I know how possible. AI is basically a supercharged search assistant. Instead of typing a question into Google and sorting through 20 different websites, you can ask AI directly. For example, you could type in, "Explain AI in simple terms for someone over 60." And it will give you a very clear, instant, that fast. You can also ask it things like, "Plan me a trip, explain those medical terms, help write emails, summarize a book, or teach you something new." Think of it like having a research assistant available to you 24 hours a day. Come on, let me show you a simple example. Let's imagine we want help planning dinner for the week. I could come over here, hit the dictate button, or you could type it in. Create a simple 5-day dinner plan for 2 people over 60 trying to eat healthy. Select the check button, and I select that. And within seconds, it's going to show me our 5-day dinner plan. This is making me hungry. Isn't this beautiful? Tells you about the menu, and I could even go in and ask it to provide a shopping list. So, provide shopping list for day 4. Select the check button, enter in the question, and here we go. All of this, you can print it out, you can take a picture of it. It's so easy to use. Now, let's say we want to ask ChatGPT, explain in plain English for a 60-year-old what algorithms mean. Select the check button. There's my question. And here again, within seconds, it's going to go into a very simple, this Rebel Grannie can actually understand. Now here's the part I want you to hear. You are not behind. Most people are still learning this. Even the younger crowd is figuring it out as they go. The difference is this. If you start learning AI now, you will quickly realize it's actually a tool that makes life easier, not harder. That's exactly why I created this series called AI After 50. Over the next several videos, I'm going to show you things like simple ways people our age use AI every day, how to protect yourself from those AI scams, the one AI skill that makes everything easier, and how this technology can actually help you stay independent and informed. No tech jargon, no hype, just practical skills. Now I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, what is the most confusing thing about AI right now for you? And if you want simple explanations like this that actually make sense, make sure you subscribe, because this series is just getting started. And remember, just because we didn't grow up with this technology doesn't mean we can't master it. The digital rebels are just getting warmed up. Digital Rebel Granny out.